It's probably one of our most frequently asked questions when it comes to automatic watches. How to wind it, or I've recently purchased the watch and it's not working. Here we have the most iconic diving watch in the world, the Rolex Submariner. Step one in the process is to screw the crown in an anti-clockwise direction until you feel a click. So that means the crown is now out and in the correct winding position. Step two, the crown is in the winding position and you have to screw in a clockwise direction. Rotate the clown in a clockwise. So the crown is now in a winding position and we have to rotate the crown in a clockwise direction 30 to 40 times typically. You will start to see the second hand move. It's imperative that you don't just stop winding once you see that second hand move and you continue with the 30 to 40 winds. The winding of the watch then sort of gives the watch the full capacity of that power reserve once again. So if it's 48 hours, you're then able, once fully wound, to not wear the watch for another 48 hours and it to remain operational. Another question we get asked is will my watch get damaged if I overwind it? It wouldn't get damaged as such, but it's not recommended. For example, Rolexes, you can't actually overwind them and it sort of stops at a certain point. So ideally, again, typically 30 to 40 times, and then you're able to get the full capacity of the watch's power reserve. Step three is, once the crown is in the winding position, is to pull it out once. At that point, you're able to change the date of the watch. So you'd have to move it in a clockwise direction, and then you'll see the date complications start to change, and you can set it at the right date. Step four, you have to pull out the crown once more from the date position, and then rotate in either a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction to set the time. Step five is, so we have to ensure that the crown is sealed correctly. So at that point, we push it back into the winding position. Once the crown is in the winding position, we push it in and then turn it in a clockwise direction. Now what that does is ensure that the water seal is tight and no moisture can then enter the watch and damage the watch or the movement in any way. If you want it wound, then you're more than welcome to pop into our showroom, and all of our specialists here will be happy to help you and run you through the process in person. Or again, you can email the showroom as well. All the details you can find on our website. You can give us a call and we'd be happy to help.